So I'm in the middle of patio repairs, but now I'm going to take a break because it's time to go visit my sister, drop off a computer up there, and maybe watch a Georgia game. Yeah, who knows? We are going to do our fall updates because I don't have a lot of content per se. I do have a lot of things going on, but nothing ready to put on a video. But I'm going to kind of let you guys know what's going on. Take a ride with me. So no trip officially gets started without a stop at Wawa. Had to get gas because, well, I get 15 cents off a gallon after so many points. But part of the reason why I have those points, stuff like this. That's cherry vanilla. No, I'm not going to drink the whole thing on the way to my sister's. And buffalo chicken wrap. Good stuff. Definitely got to try that. There is one other thing I found at a previous stop. Now, excuse the bag rustle noise, but what in the world are we talking about here? Not at Wawa. I got them at Walmart. WA something, right? Anyway, yeah, so here we go. Road trip away. All right, so I've made it here to my sister's house, and we're going to go inside and visit the Pugs in just a little bit. Yeah, ice is melting, but no, obviously I didn't drink it all. But in any case, yeah, let's talk about some of the projects I've got going on. Yeah. Where are you going, Kichi? Oh, you're over there chasing the chicken already. Hi there, sweetheart. What you doing? What you doing? You're not going to that pool. I know better. You get tired of chasing that chicken for you? Huh? What are you doing, Tango? Hi there. Hi there. What? You guys, I know you're not getting in that pool. You guys are nuts. Yeah, that's Whiskey. That's Tango. And they're the Pugs. And they're a whole lot more cool to look at than me. But anyway, so on with our update. All right, so a couple things to talk about. The yard still computers. I'm still working on those. I did make some changes. I did swap some things around. Yeah, that's been more fun than I thought it was going to be. We've tried to swap one PC with a 9550 in it. I've got another one that's going to get a Q6600. Both of these are like DDR2 and DDR3. The 9550, I think it was, either 9450 or 9550. I'll put it on the screen. That's going in the one with DDR3, so I think I can get a little bit better performance. But currently, the only box that's working again is a Slimline, and I need a bigger video card, full-size video card, to test that properly to see what I can get out of it. The problem is, when I went to move it from the Slimline into the mid-size box, it stopped working. So there we are. The other one, the DDR2 build, I just never got back to, so that's my fault. But we'll get that rolling back again. The Z440 that we were talking about, that workstation, it's doing pretty well. We're going to go ahead and put some more memory in it. I'd ordered 32 more gig of memory, so that's going to bring it up to 48. We put a GTX 1660 in it, and I'm going to go ahead and upgrade that processor with an 8-core 16-thread, so we'll have that going. With IM number 4, we are still going to test that with the ARC A750 because, well, somebody requested seeing AMD performance with that, so that's what I will do there. We'll go ahead and test that against the current AMD processor. And then the K4200, that little slimline workstation graphics card, that Quadro card, we need to go ahead and test that with Windows 10, so I've got a build I'm going to put that in because Windows 11 really tanked the performance on that. It didn't do so well. So we're going to go back and look at that and see if we can't get some better performance that way. So those are some things that are going on. There are other things mixed in between. I'm doing some repairs for other people. I am resetting a laptop for somebody. I have to go into a club and redo parts of their PC for their sound system. And so, yeah, I've been pretty full, pretty busy. The hurricanes, 2 of them back to back, didn't help any. But you know what? That's part of life, and you got to deal with that. And so we're going to figure it out, and we're going to go forward. That's what's going on so far. If I think of other things, oh, by the way, hope you guys can see this. Yeah, the neighbors. The neighbors have chickens. It's pretty funny. And the Pugs usually love chasing the chickens. In any case, yeah, so that's what's going on. If I think of anything else in between now and then, or when I'm driving back home, I will go ahead and cut in studio and explain that there. But that's kind of what's going on. And I just thought it'd be a little bit more interesting, yeah, out here doing that than me sitting in front of a microphone and a camera just blithering on for 10 minutes. So that's where we are. Yeah, let me wrap up and we'll see what's next, okay? So there you have it. I didn't think of anything else on the way back home. There were one or two things that really, I mean, stuff with my server and a couple other things that I probably could add. But, I mean, I've already got enough projects going on that actually need my attention and actually need videos done, finished, and released. The project at the nightclub got put off just a little bit because I don't know if parts didn't come in or somebody forgot to order or whatever the deal is, so I have that extra few minutes. But anyway, I figured a vlog type style would be a little bit more interesting than my normal sit down in the studio and ramble on. So that's what you got this time. So if you found this entertaining at all, or if you like the vlog type style instead, or had any thoughts whatsoever, one way or the other, whether you like my other way of doing it or this one, do me a favor and let me know down in the comments. Just kind of let me know what you like to see. You guys are the audience, right? Yeah, you guys have pushed me up over 1,400 subs. Thank you so much for that. But you guys are the ones that are important. So I want to put out stuff that you guys might feel like you want to watch. So in this case, I tried something a little bit different. I got to really hang out with the pugs. That was fun. Oh, yeah, and by the way, do I have, I don't know. If I've got another pug clip, I'll insert it here. Hi, Kichi. What's up, Whiskey? Huh? What's up, girl? What? Dango. Dango Mango. But in any case, if you got anything out of the video, found it entertaining at all, found it interesting, go ahead and throw a like on it if you don't mind. If you're not already subscribed, please do that. I certainly would appreciate it. You guys are amazing. Like I said, over 1,400 subs, and we're still climbing. We're going to get there. And then one other thing. If you don't do a like or a subscribe or visit any of my other socials or anything like that, just please do me one favor, and that's be good to each other. Be kind. It costs nothing to be kind. Hold the door open. Say good morning. Smile. Wave. Something. Anything. Right now, we really need that more than any other time probably, and I encourage you just to try it. It'd probably make you feel a lot better, and it would definitely make the person that you were kind to feel better, and everybody wins, right? And it doesn't cost you anything. So what does it hurt? Anyway, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hanging around this long. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, whatever the case may be when you see this. And until next time, when I get myself into something I got no business getting into, and there's several projects still going, I'll see you later.